How to fix YouTube comment keyboard hanging problem. So if you want to fix the YouTube comment keyboard hanging problem, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with your search, and under search you need to search for Gboard. Once you search for Gboard, now if you have any updates under your Gboard, you can simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, now you need to search for YouTube, and under YouTube, if you have any updates, then simply tap on update. And once you've updated, you need to go back, wait for some time because it takes time to update. Now once you've updated, you just need to simply tap and hold on to your YouTube application. Go with the app info. Under app info, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared the cache, you need to go back and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your YouTube comment keyboard hanging problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.